recording should help you develop an understanding of how to build your app with Unity to a WebGL, then how to publish your app using Replit.com. Alright, so here I am in Unity. I don't have the web build profile installed, so we need to make that happen. I'm going to go to Open Download Page. It's going to download that file. You can see I've already done it once, so I'm just going to stop that and then activate the one that is downloaded. If you're doing this in my classroom, we're going to have to install this, and so we have to go through all of the steps of proving that it's not going to damage your computer. So you'll have to call me over when you're ready to do this, and I will make sure that you get the passwords you need to make it happen. Alright, so we're going to open it anyway. It doesn't know that it's there yet. We're going to have to quit Unity. Build profiles. Web is now one of my active profiles. Okay, I want to switch the platform to this, so this will be my active profile now. Okay, it's going to import all the assets and recalculate all the shaders. So you can set a particular browser. You can use the player settings for the compression. And you can aim for a shorter build time or a smaller disk size. That's what we want to aim for, because we want this to be more lightweight for Replit. For Rollerball, it should be a problem, but when it comes to other games, that might start to interfere with your power. We can also go to Edit, Project Settings. Player. Okay, you can change the name of your company here, right? So this is 404 Games. Settings for web, that's what we're building to. Publishing settings, compression, disabled. Alright, so now that's all set. Alright, so build profiles. What we want to do now, some of you created a new scene, called it a different name, right? I only have my sample scene that I started with, but if you created multiple scenes, you need to make sure they all end up in this scene list. Okay? So then go back to your web build, make sure that your scenes show up here. If you have an extra scene that's empty, you want to uncheck it from your list. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and build. Put it in web build 1, save, let it run. So the next part of this process is to upload your game to Replit, right? Here you can see it's replit.com. You're going to make an account. Here's my account. And by default, it's going to dump you into this AI workspace. You don't want the AI to help you. What we're doing is too simple for that. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to Developer Frameworks, and we want this framework, this HTML5. All right, I have already created one. When you create one, you just click Remix and name it. So then I'm going to go to My Apps. Once you've created it, you'll have the workspace in here. I'm going to close it so it looks like yours. You just have this console, and then you have this Tools and Files button. You've got your files over here, right? What we need to do is, I'm going to delete these so you can see this whole process start to finish. You're going to empty out what's in here. You'll start with like a blank index and a blank style sheet and a blank code place. And what you want to do is upload your build file. So in your Finder, go to your game, find your build file. Mine is web build 1. And you have these 3 objects. You may have a couple more depending on if you did the compressed smaller file size or not. Select them and drag them in. Alright, that will take a second to update. You can see it's putting all those files in there. This is the actual data for your game. The index is the page, the web page that you're creating. Right? So we don't want to see the code of the web page, we want to see the web page itself. So we're going to click plus and then preview your app. Run. It will load the Unity logo, made with Unity, and there it is. So what you have to do is click the window, and then your game will run. If you have something else selected, your game won't run because it's not the active window. So click it. That makes it run. There we go. All right. You cannot publish. Their new structure means that we can't publish a page without paying, but you can still share, right? So if you go over here and share, you get this link, and that is what you can turn into me on Canvas. Okay, and then once we get everybody's together, then I will give you guys the links to everybody's rollerball. You'll get a chance to play everybody's game. So once again, we can't publish. You get a preview here, and then over here you can share and get your link to turn in.